Okay. We're here this afternoon to officially launch The Space Between, our international exhibition of lace art. My name is Eilish McGonagha. Pause. We feel our vision and our passion kind of are very similar, and we're very happy to have her blah 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 blah. First up, I'd like to introduce our curator, Fiona Harrington. Pause. If you have extra time, you could maybe go and visit the Lace Makers Cottages on New Street, or down to the so if you would like to take some pictures and send them to us. In Ireland, we are currently on level 3 restrictions for COVID-19, which unfortunately means it also has a foreword from our curator. An exhibition of this scale would not be and we really hope you enjoy it. Hang on, because the lights are changing.